Okay, so well, let's continue with our simplitude exploration. Real quick, I want to show you the visualization suite, which is very nice, highly configured, and you can tweak it to your heart content. Go in those settings, explore that, do your own preset. I encourage it. It's very nice, and it doesn't take any DSP, so that's the strong point. It's really complete. You can arrange things the way you want, have it on several windows. And you can view per track. You go on the track, you hit visualization of the track you want to visualize, or you go on the master if you want to see a master, etc. It's very useful, and well, it's something whether you produce or mix, it's just something that we need. So I've tried. I use for some specific tasks, or maybe another one. It doesn't have loudness history. You have loudness meters, and I mean it's same here. It has all the settings needed. It's really great, but it has a surround meter, etc. But it doesn't have loudness history. The only thing that the visual it has it in Sequoia, but not in Simplitude, which Sequoia is more for mastering application. Anyway, so you can if you need to visualize things, you can use this one. I think it's pretty cool. For the object track, etc., saving aspect of things, I'll show you how to do those different stuff. So first, the object saving. So for example, if you put whatever in your object, and you start messing with EQ, volume, all that things, and you want to apply that to the other object, which is here. So you can go between objects with this. You do a snapshot. So I clicked, just left click to do the snapshot. It's if you already use that slot for a snapshot, you have to hit shift. It's written here, shift plus left click to save. The first time, whether it's 1, 2, 3, or 4, left click is enough. But then the left click become here. I want to apply to this one the snapshot I just took. Then that's what left click becomes. So here I applied every settings I had in this object, and you can choose obviously which settings are applied. Okay. Now, if you want to save those things in a file, because the snapshot, I mean, if you save another snapshot in another object and you use number one, well, you lose them, and there's no way to get them back. I mean, you still have the setting in the object, so you can remake a snapshot, etc. But I mean, there's 4 snapshots, and you erase them, you lose the one you were working on. And so it might be useful to save those settings to files, and then you right click here on number, save object settings to file, or you can do it from here, the FX part. Right? So save object settings to file. So that's for the object part of things. And if you want on a track, save your FX chain or auxiliaries, whatever you've done. You put your FX, then you go on FX, you left click on it, you save track FX settings, and then the window will open. You'll have the possibility to name it, put it on a folder, whatever, and then you can apply it to other track, or use it later. You can also copy and paste from one track to another. You can so that's for that. And finally, if you have a project you set up and you're happy with what you set up, and you think we're gonna see the next video how to set up guys and all that, and you think you're gonna use that later as a starter project, you go to File, Save Project as Template, and this way create a template. Okay, I think I've covered what was asked on those matters. And next videos will be about the guys things.